What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over a case made by HZSSEC. They are a seller on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check this case out for yourself. It is a PU leather exterior, which is very nice. It has very high quality stitching. The camera is open to the elements, as well as the Apple logo located on the back of the iPad. Inside the case, this portion right here is lined with microfiber. Then you also, your iPad kind of just clips into this case. So I'll take it out. So there's that. This is a plastic cover. So you would probably want to make sure you keep this portion clean so it doesn't cause any damage to the iPad, though I don't think it will. So it just slides in. It clips in like so, and it does feature 3 levels to prop the iPad up. 1, 2, last is the 3rd one. You can also rotate this vertically. The first notch, oh well, it does work. So the first notch, it's kind of tough to get it to stay, but the second notch, with it being positioned like this, works perfectly fine. Overall, it's a very good quality case. It's currently going for $22.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Overall, HZSSEC made a very good leather case. I hope you guys will support my YouTube channel by subscribing to it. Once you subscribe to the channel, a little bell will pop up. You can click that bell and it will you'll get notified of all my latest YouTube videos. While you're at it, I hope you'll check me out online at loganstechreview.com. I'm on Twitter at LoganTechReview. There's no S in that. And then last but not least, I'm on Instagram at Logan'sTechReview. On Instagram, I'll post to my stories sometimes, so if you followed my Instagram channel, you would know that this is the product or this is the video that's going to be coming out soon. So please go through and do that. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time.